Okay, I'm now playing the video demos from all four models at the same time, so you can choose your own favorite one. Hi, this is Andy. Welcome back to the channel. There are many AI video models out there, for example Minimax, Tencent Hunyuan, Kling, and of course the big boss from Google, Veo. In today's video, we are going to do a quick comparison among them, and I'll also share the NAN workflows so that we can set this all up by ourselves. I've prepared the demos generated from all these AI video models, but first of all, a little disclaimer. I'm using the prompt from Google Veo for all this comparison, but as long as the AI video models are processing human languages, it shouldn't make a big difference. Let's have a quick look at the demo first, and I'll play them one by one. First, let's take a look at the one from Minimax AI. Great. Then we can take a look at the one from Tencent, Hunyuan. Nice. The next one from Kling. And the last one from Google Veo. Nice. So which one do you like the most? Okay, I'm now playing the video demos from all four models at the same time, so you can choose your own favorite one. Great. So comment below and tell me which one you like the most. For now, let's dive into the NAN workflows first and see how much it costs to make each of them. Alright, this is the NAN workflow that we prepared for you guys. As you can see, the top one is the Minimax one. We use the API from them directly. And the bottom five, we use the API from Faceless AI for different video models. And this is the duration that it took us to generate the 5-second demo video. And then this is the cost. As you can see, the difference between using the original API from Minimax and using the API from Faceless AI for the Minimax model is just $0.07 difference. So it's not a big difference. And then I'm going to show you each node one by one. You can see the difference and how we can set things up. So first of all, we go to Minimax video, this one. We have the HTTP request node here, and we rename it to Minimax. We use post method. This is the URL that we use for using the API from them. And we will have the header auth. Again, we just paste the API key here using authorization as name. And then we are using the T2V, text to video, O1 director model. Prompt, we just have the JSON prompt. So the prompt is here. Tracking shots with the subject centered in the frame. So basically it's the same prompt that we used here. Just copy here. And this node is edit fields. This one. Okay. We unlinked it for now, but when you would like to process it, you can just link it back. Okay. And then enable follow redirects. At max redirect, you just put 21. You can put other numbers that you want. And for this one, as for wait, so we can wait for 30 seconds here. And another HTTP request node here is for getting status. Again, we use the URL from API Minimax. Same credential setup. It's just that we are using task ID here. Okay, just copy and paste this one. Same settings. We have the if node here. You can search if here. And then if it is success, then we'll proceed to the next stage. If not, we'll wait for another 30 seconds. Another HTTP request node here. We get results here. Same credential setup. Group ID. Okay, you can use your own ID from the Minimax. And this file ID. And authority, API Minimax, chat, authorization, bearer, your API key. Okay, we need to add bearer space. Again, follow redirects, 21 redirects, etc. And last but not least, we will have another node, HTTP request node to download the videos. You can see it's just drag and drop the download URL here. All right, when we run the test app here, we will see the output on the right-hand side. When we click view, we can preview the demo here, the 5 seconds video that we generated from Minimax API. And it's the same video when you just copy and paste this download URL. As for the Minimax API setup, basically we can just go to the documentation. We have bearer space and then just paste the API key and put it here. And then for the group ID here, we're going to go to account, profile, and then copy or paste your group ID. So that's it for Minimax. And then for Fel AI, we are going to use this URL in order to process the Minimax model. For the API, we are going to use header auth as well, and then we rename it to Fel AI API. This time we are going to have authorization of the name, and then we go to the documentations from Fel AI. We need to have input key, space, and then your Fel API key into here. So that's how you can actually set up the credentials of Fel AI. As for the prompt, again, we use the prompt from here. Then for the next step, it's basically the same as the above. It's just that we are using the URL here. Just copy and paste this one. And we're using get method, same credential setup. We have the if node here. When it is equal to completed, then we move to the next stage. If not, we will wait for another 30 seconds to process. And we're going to get result here. We use this URL, same authentication, and we will have the video here. So when we run test step, we will have the video here. All right. So this is the video generated from Minimax as well. Okay, so this is the English prompt that we use. And how about we try with the Chinese prompt, because basically Minimax is the same as Hunyuan, which is a Chinese model. So let's see if there's any difference if we use a Chinese prompt for that. All right, so we have the Google Translate note here. So we are using Google Translate note here to translate the prompt from English to Chinese. And we will have the same settings from the above. Basically, this settings is the same as above. Using Fel AI, API, Minimax model. It's just using the prompt in Chinese. So everything the same here. Everything the same. Same as this one. All right. This. And okay, then we can take a look at the preview here. So this one is using the Chinese prompt. Maybe it's a little bit better. Yeah, so you can test it on your own as well. It's just that you can just use Google Translate and then translate it into Chinese. As for the next one, we're going to demonstrate the VEO2 from Google. Basically, we are using Fel AI as well, but this time it's just using VEO2 here. So the credential setup is the same, Fel AI. You don't need to change any other thing. And we are having a prompt here as well. Everything the same. It's just that for this one, again, we are going to change it to VEO2. This is same. And this change to VEO2. Let's process. And let's take a look at the preview here. Great. This is the one from Google Veo 2. For the next one, it's from Tencent Hunyuan. We're using Faceless as well. It's just that we are using a Hunyuan model, video model. Prompt using the same prompt. This one is the same for the wait 30 seconds. And then here we change to Hunyuan. If not the same, and get status, we change to Hunyuan here. And here we are going to get the video URL, and let's take a look at the preview. And we can download it and then play it. Great. It's a little bit strange. Okay, but we can have like field trial and error, or just pick the best model that you like the most. And we are going to take a look at the workflow for Kling. Basically same, using Fail AI as well. It's just that we're using Kling version 1.6 Pro text to video model. Same prompt, using English prompt. Wait for 30 seconds, get results using Kling video model, and then if node, using Kling video model as well. And we can download the video, test step, and we can preview here. Great. It's pretty nice for Kling, actually. So let's take a look at the cost. So out of all four, so Kling is just $0.1, and the most expensive one would be the VO2. So this is the comparison with the time duration in terms of seconds, and the 5 seconds video generations in terms of dollars. So I will share this template to you guys later as well. Alright, so we are going to provide this template in our EditNode Code community, and also there are more than 50 advanced AI agent templates over there as well, including for social media, lead gen, data automation, etc. And we're going to add more and more templates every single week, and we're providing tech support over there. If you have any questions regarding the templates and also setting up your own AI workflows or AI agents, feel free to let me know or let our team know, so that we can provide tech support to you guys. So hope to see you there.